Okay, we're back again. Okay. Sorry. Okay, this is us. Well, I'm trying to steer right now. Okay, I got this.
I see your boobs.
No, you don't. And we're on the two-seater bike. Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh god. Trying to show our bike off.
Look at that sunset.
That's the sunset.
That's that sunset.
It's really pretty.
That means we're going to be riding back in the dark.
Oh.
Ah!
It's okay. We got EGs.
Jeez.
Okay.
This is our workout for. Actually, we've worked out quite a bit today.
Yeah, we went to Breakers. It was cool. It was awesome.
5 hours. We got tan.
Yeah.
Not really, because we're white
Yeah.
as hell.
We're like glowing in the video right now. Okay, but crap. Forgot what to say. It was important.
What was it?
I don't know.
Oh, God.
It was after we're gonna be. Oh, EGs. The EGs flavor of the month is fruit something.
It's something.
It's just fruit something. It's like the worst name for an EGs.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna be going down a hill right now. So Jasmine's gonna take the thing.
Okay.